Welcome. This presentation provides a guide to Section 462(o) of the Pakistan Penal Code, which covers electricity theft law, with a focus on jurisprudence and trial management. We will begin by developing a thorough understanding of the electricity theft law, including its key legal principles and procedural requirements. Regarding the statutory scope, it's important to note the jurisdictional limitation. The Sessions Court requires a formal complaint for cognizance in Chapter 17B PPC cases. In fact, a specific written complaint is mandated for offenses under this chapter to proceed legally. For these complaints to be sustainable, they must include detailed reasons and full particulars of the alleged theft. There are several essential prerequisites for a complaint. It must be submitted by an authorized officer, specifically grade 17 or a CEO authorized individual. The complaint requires specific details, such as the type of illegal wire and the theft load. These precise details are crucial for the complaint to be legally sustainable and withstand high court scrutiny. A key aspect of this legislation is the special laws precedents. Section 462(o) of the PPC contains a non-obstant clause, which overrides the General Criminal Procedure, or CRPC, 258. This clause establishes an exclusive legal regime for assuming trial jurisdiction. The procedural impact is that the special procedures defined by Section 462(o) take precedence over general criminal pathways. It is important to distinguish between court cognizance and police action. A court cannot take cognizance of power theft offenses without a formal written complaint from a designated officer. However, because electricity theft is a cognizable offense, police are empowered to register FRs, conduct raids, and make arrests. 1, 3, 4. Section 462(o) of the PPC regulates the court's cognizance stage, not police actions during an active investigation. The importance of strict adherence to procedure cannot be overstated. Legal processes must be performed exactly as prescribed by these special laws, and courts do not tolerate procedural shortcuts. Any deviation, such as an unauthorized raid, inspection, or seizure, can invalidate evidence, leading to defense acquittals. We will now discuss the major factors that lead to defense acquittals. It has been observed that administrative shortcomings by utility companies are a frequent cause of case failures. Let's review the step-by-step legal process. Step 1 involves a raid and inspection by a joint disco team, which confiscates illegal wires or meters. In Step 2, a grade 17 officer formulates a written complaint detailing the load and contrivances. For Step 3, the police register an F4 and prepare on-site plans. Finally, in Step 4, the Court of Sessions formalizes and accepts the case for trial under Section 462(o). The law has evolved between 2016 and 2023. A significant change is that post-2023, electricity theft is explicitly non-bailable, making arrests more secure. Police can now directly register FIRs, which streamlines the trial process. Additionally, the list of authorized officers has expanded to include CEO-authorized nominees, and video verification is now legally recognized, which strengthens electronic evidence.